Return on investment, or ROI, is a simple way to measure how much profit you made compared to what you originally spent. Investors use this metric to evaluate the efficiency of an investment across many different categories like stocks, real estate, or business equipment. The math is straightforward. You take your net profit, divide it by the initial cost, and multiply by 100 for a percentage. ROI provides a common language for comparing different opportunities. It helps you see which choices are actually moving the needle for your portfolio. It is important to remember that nominal returns don't account for rising prices, while real ROI reflects how much your actual buying power grew. As you can see, different asset classes historically show different return profiles. Higher potential returns often come with higher levels of risk. Past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Always consider the risks involved before chasing a specific return percentage. Understanding ROI is a foundational step in your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more basic investing concepts.